Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you an updated hair review on Eullair hair. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how I go from a style to this really sleek slay here. So just keep watching so you can see something that you can pretty much do midweek to switch it up without having to wash your hair. So this is how my hair is looking. I've had this wig on, I believe it was like 4 or 5 days. I know for sure it was more than 3 days. So I'm just going to show you guys how I basically go to a real nice sleek slay. So I'm just taking out these rubber bands, and again, if you would like to see how I did this style here, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check that out. I did use some gel and holding spray on my hair, so if you want, you can definitely wash your hair. It's probably ideal for you to wash it and not just like straight put heat on dirty hair. But this is something that you can do midweek, because you know, like middle of the week, you don't feel like doing anything. You can say you're gonna wash your hair, but you may not. So, and also this is like some really good quality hair, because you see how I'm able to go from this style with all this like gel and spritz and stuff to get like a really sleek flat iron look. So yeah, so this is like some really good hair. I didn't have any trouble with it, not even any like tangling and stuff in the back how I usually get with like my other wigs. So here I'm just going through and flat ironing the hair, and this is how I did my entire head. I didn't wet it or anything. Of course, like I said, it'd be best if you do, but this is like something that you can do on a lazy day to switch up your hair. So I'm just going to continue to flat iron my hair. I am using these flat irons that I purchased from Sally's, and they are by Ion. They are like really, really, really good. I'll try to leave a link down below if I'm able to find it online so you guys can check out these. They were a little pricey. I think they were like $60. So yeah, but they're really, really good. So like I said, I'm just going through and flat ironing my hair. Here I just see like a little spot that I want to pluck. So I'm just going to go in and pluck that and continue to comb my hair down. So now you can see how good my hair looks without me even having to wash the hair. It looks really good. It has a lot of like luster to it, a lot of body and everything, for me to go from this, which is like stiff and crusty, to like this really nice sleek look over here. So the back, I really didn't have any product on the back of my hair, so that part was really easy. And as you can see guys, it's like no tangles back there, and I didn't even comb my hair out. Like as you seen at the beginning of the video, I didn't comb off those curls or anything like that. So that just goes to show like how good, like good quality hair this is. It's like a blue string in my hair. So yeah. But yeah, I am doing like the tease method, the comb follow through method. I don't know what it's called. I am doing that, the chase method, to make sure I get it really sleek. But y'all, look how good it look. You would think that I like washed my hair, and I didn't. Look at that. Okay, bomb quality hair. Make sure you click the link down below, because it's bomb. Look, I'm trying to run my fingers through it and it won't. Like y'all, I haven't combed my hair in, like I said, like 3-4 days for real. So I'm going to go ahead and work with this side, do the same thing like I did on the other side. I just want to really show you guys how this hair looks without me even having to wash it. It is coming up like a little bit in the front, like my lace coming up in the front, but not too much where I can't just keep it on for like another 2 days, which I think I did keep it on for like another day or two. I can't remember, but I went ahead and did this side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and comb that out so I can go ahead and finish this little flat iron look, this update. So I'm going in with some oil sheen, spraying it on my hand, and then patting my hair lightly and making sure I get the ends. Just, I didn't want to spray it directly on my hair to get my hair like really oily. So this is just going to bring that sheen back in that, you know, the spritz and stuff took out when I did my style. So that's how I go ahead and like fix my hair in the middle of the week. Like, this is one way that you can fix your hair in the middle of the week where you don't have to do all that work, like wash it, condition it, and then blow dry it and flat iron it. As you see, I just literally went from a old crusty stale style, because I used a lot of spritz and gel, to get this. Look how good their hair looks, sis. Okay? If y'all don't go and click the link down below, like, one thing about wigs is, like, they are an investment. So when you get good quality hair like this, it's an investment, something that is going to last you a long time. And I'm pretty sure if you spend all that money on your wig, you're going to like wash it and take care of it. But this is like, you get a pass for something like this, where you just don't wash it and blow dry it or whatever. You don't want to do this every time, because you do want to take care of your wig, but you can't do it like here and there. So yeah, you guys, make sure you click the link down below so you can definitely check out this hair company, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this, and if you're like a lazy person like me who will go from style to style. Yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.